Alright, so this software is called Resolume. I thought it was just Resolume, but Resolume Avenue, not Arena. Um, this is a playback control software. So this is where we will decide what contents, whether it be an images, a playlist of images, or a video, will go on the LED. So, brief overview. This top area is like the timeline, and we can have multiple layers. Right now I have two layers set up. Um, Generally, you probably only need one layer, but in case they have multiple contents that they want to play, you might want to set it up in two layers. Um, so Resolume Avenue. Before I was rudely interrupted by this sound, um, I'll do that first. This software right now isn't registered. That's why it's doing that. Resolume Avenue. We need to go to preferences and type in the registration. I don't know what it is right now, but we need to do that as soon as we do this so that it doesn't make that disgusting noise and pop up on the LED video wall. Okay, while we're in preferences, what you also want to do is go to audio and make sure that the audio output device is set to some speakers. Okay, because it'll be connected, the laptop will be connected to an aux cable, connected to, I'm guessing, a soundboard, a control board, mixer. That's the only thing we need to do in preferences. So back to the layers. Alright, so let's look at layer 1 right now. Layer 1, I have an image here and a video here. So if you click it itself, it's going to go directly live to the LED video wall on the composition monitor. If you click the title, it's going to go to the preview monitor, which will only show on this laptop. All right, so you can do that, for either layer. So preview, and if you click it, it's live. All right. And so there's a little mixer here. So the audio is A, video is V, and this is the controlling the opacity. Okay, and so you might want to do the video opacity when, let's look here. If I click this one as well in layer 2, they'll both play simultaneously. All right. Resolume Avenue. They'll both play simultaneously, so it's not good because it's overlapping the layers. So what you want to do is, if you want, you can do the opacity to control that. But and then if you want to end it, click X here. Okay. And you will have noticed that when I clicked images, if you go down here, there's composition, layer, and clip little sections. And under clip and transport, its duration is 1 second. Okay, so we want to increase that to however many seconds you want each one to be. So if I click this one, it's 32 seconds, so it's going to play for 32 seconds now. This one, 9.6 seconds, and so it's going to play for 9.6 seconds or whatever you want, and you can click it to change it. Okay. This one is only 1 second, so it's going to change immediately. Right? Okay. And then, what else do we need? I can let's look at the layers down here. Because the sound is annoying, I'm going to turn this off. Okay. If you go to composition layer, composition layer, what do we need here? Let me close all of these first. I guess we don't need that much dashboard. No, composition. Resolume Avenue. This is the opacity Okay, master, I guess the master opacity button. Audio, this is also the master, I guess. This is also opacity. Okay, so this was opacity of the composition, which is what's going on the LED video wall. I guess this is the same as well as the master. Okay, and transform. I think Scott and Jason will explain this better than masterfully later on. If you go to layer, what we want to do is on autopilot, make sure that it's on this forward button. So I guess that's looping. You would imagine that this is looping. Resolume Avenue. This is actually the looping button. Autopilot plays forward. Plays the clips in the current layer in sequence. Oh, this is random. So yeah. So we have to have this one on for auto looping. Okay. What else? Under video, right now it's at 1920 by 1080. But on auto size, we want to make sure it's unstretched so that there's no borders. All right, stretch. Also, what I should have discussed also is under output. So currently, it's only showing one display. This is by laptop. My laptop's resolution is 1366 by 768. But once we connect to an LED, it will automatically display the second output. So display number one will be your laptop. Display number two should be the LED video wall. Okay. And last but not least, we'll go to the clip, and I did clip, and I talked about the duration of the images, and that's pretty much it, right? For this, so important buttons, no cut. Click the title for preview. Click the thumbnail for the actual sending it to the composition monitor, which will be the LED video. Look at this, okay? Oh, and after you do this, make sure you save the file and save it as the Resolume Avenue. Save it as the company name that we're the booth name that we're at. So if it's like on sale or something like that, type that, and then type version number 1. All right. Hopefully, I think that's it. TJ out.